The 2025 Classic 4 Plus in green stands out as the ultimate companion for maintenance crews, seamlessly blending practicality with versatility. Its spacious seating comfortably accommodates 4 crew members, ensuring everyone travels together efficiently. Yet, when the task demands more storage, the rear seat flips down effortlessly, transforming the cart into a robust cargo carrier. Whether transporting tools, equipment, or personnel, this cart excels in every maintenance task, proving that functionality doesn't have to compromise comfort or style. With its lithium battery, spend your time maintaining the grounds, and don't worry about maintaining the batteries. Just charge them up with the onboard charger and go. Assembled in Manitoba, Canada, at Prairie Golf Supplies in Carman, Manitoba. Contact them at 204-745-6644 for information on available carts.